racing just is started. We have Honor Rosa break quickly at the start. Madera in the middle portion. And on the outside comes Queen Alicia, Mr. Lab, Reyes Gold Primera Class Europa, while Grand Sensation is the early trailer by about 10 lengths from last to person going along for the first turn. We have Honor Rose by about 2 lengths over Madera in second. Queen Alicia is racing in third, then followed over by Mr. Lab. Reyes Gold comes next. Then on the inside comes Europa, Primera Clase alongside, while Grand Sensation is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Honor Rose traveling well okay at the stage of the race, maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Coming closer now in second is Queen Alicia. Madera comes next, Mr. Lab, then followed over by Reyes Gold Primera Clase. Down on the inside, Europa and Grand Sensation. And they are now entering the home stretch. Honor Rose about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Queen Alicia. Mr. Levis down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. These two now has collided in front. We have Queen, or rather entry number 5, Queen Alicia moves up, and finally Queen Alicia. Honor Rose, Mr. Love, Primera Clase.
5-1.